Hello. That was very weird timing. Anyways, guys, today we are going to be doing a playing with this slime today, and I gotta make my videos quick. For some reason, they can only be like a little bit longer than 2 minutes. So, oof. So technically, we're just gonna pull this slime out of its dome, I guess you could say, of its cave, of its place, out of its home. Whoa. Guys, this isn't that. Owie! This isn't that big. Well, it's a big slime, but it's not like a huge slime. So, guys, it does have flakes, foam beads, glitter, and some clay in it. I bought all that stuff today at the store. Yeah. So that's very long. Oh, so also, guys, we gotta add this. So anyway. That's me not put back in something else. So yeah, guys, that was kind of like just a little bit of an intro video. Also, guys, if the video stops at like a random point, because I don't know how long I can film for, and I'm trying not to do this over a minute, and I can do that away later. But guys, I do want to show you all something pretty cool. My dog. Name it Chico. He's really nice. He's a good little baby. My tortoise is right there. Sorry. Whoa. Sorry. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that thing right there is a tortoise. There's my dog. There's my dog. Yeah, and they're all the chickens. So yeah. Kind of just doing something random currently because I don't know when it's gonna end. So, oh gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I got a sprinkler. Let's get this one's gonna go on if I get back in the glass. Yeah, there's a better view of my tortoise. It's this little house with stuff on it. Doggy door. Our pool. So yeah, guys, we have a pretty big backyard. And yeah, guys, that's kind of all I wanted to do. I kind of just did a random video today. I will be posting better videos soon, but for right now, yeah. Well, anyways, bye, guys.